So a friend of mine asked me if I could do a video to help her figure out how to do a wing liner. So I'm going to show you some tricks. I already did my left eye for you, honestly, because my right eye kind of sucks. I swear I can't see as well out of it. So to save you guys and me a whole lot of embarrassment, no, it just would have been awkward to watch me struggle through that. So I already got it done. And we're going to do this eye together. So a trick that I do is, if you can, let's get up in here for you. See this line, this imaginary line on your eye? So it's going up. You want to follow that as far as your angle goes. That's kind of like a little secret guideline. And you want to take your angled brush. And I tend to do this with my eye kind of open. It's a little bit more helpful to see the line. And we're just gonna make a little mark. I don't know if you can see that. So then now you can close your eye. Also using low lights, and I just use this angled brush. You're always gonna have fallout, so I would recommend doing your eyes first, and then your face, or at least under your eyes. Like, don't do your concealer yet. A little trick, sometimes you can maybe put a little makeup on the end of your sponge and do like a little wipe to clean it up, or use a Q-tip if you want. How we looking? Not bad. We always joke that your wings don't have to be twins. They just have to be sisters. So I hope that helps. I might have to do another video. I'm sure there's room for improvement on my side. Sorry. Just remember, start with your angle, then move it in. Okay? All right, good luck. Bye.